Hello, my name is Jason and I'm with RW Garage Doors. Today we're going to be talking about the remotes and programming them to your opener. And here we have the LiftMaster single button remote. This one is only good for LiftMaster motors, and on the back there is no program button. So go ahead and start by pressing the program button located right here, the little yellow circle. It'll stay lit and then you're ready to press the button to program it. You will hear a click and now you're ready to use your remote.